Now let us start with a new section in which we are going to talk about the different Ethernet specifications. Now, before we dive into the complex worlds of networking devices, the TCP/IP and the DoD models, IP addressing, subnetting, and routing in the upcoming sections, you have to understand the big picture of local area networks and learn the answer to these key solutions. How is Ethernet used in today's networks? Do you know the answer to that? Then, what are media access control, that is MAC addresses, and how are these identifiers used in networking? This section will answer all those questions and much more questions if you have any. I will not only discuss the basics of Ethernet and the way MAC addresses are used on Ethernet LAN, I'll also cover the protocols used with Ethernet at the data link layer. You'll also learn about the various Ethernet specifications. So now let's have a look at what will you learn in this section. First of all, we will learn the basics of networks so that you can get a brief idea of this section. Then we will learn about the Ethernet basics. Once we cover the Ethernet basics, we will move on to collision domain, broadcast domain, and baseband and broadband. You need to understand the differences between these terms because these are the terms which are the building blocks of network. Then we will see how Ethernet is implemented at data link layer along with the Ethernet addressing, and we'll finally end this section with the Ethernet being implemented at the physical layer. Now let us start this section.